Ebushama mema akwaba enfa umbra Ghana and 7 TVG chimestra or sell like a comment subscribe then no notification so that every day I post a video biano or some kabe medamose.
So very important update on the arrest of Dennis Miracle Sabuaje. Any two set of actions are MPP party nebe take if you watch nako. Until we MPP near she video name nkusiniti asem na make an very important. Now yes I say from update no. Update in say now yenim say Dennis Eda Yoku Akachia e wo Accra Tema station honom. Aha omo office na wo to do on e honom de na tum. Na tie hayi Raymond Archer na ye boss of Yoku. I instruct officials or more EOCO say mo bia ho kwan ma ne nkɔhwɛ Dennis. Omo deny obia access to Dennis including the lawyers. Nti me no ka say Dennis yere ehum no. Sanso na Dennis ne lawyers oma ye no mo betimi bia say ye be mo access. Omo access. So that fundamental rights our constitution e dem Dennis. Say what Dennis say wo ma no kwan na onya access to lawyer. Who interrogating the cry as a lawyer wohono. And this if we deny no, they are abusing a power. Raymond Archer, abusing a ye to me or mine Ghana for ye dear man. Now promise ye dema Raymond Archer and say a die NDC beku position will be channel on America because we will come after you. Boys now no more you could honomono. O man ye be moma be for one and be the soon. Same member. Same security architecture. We will come after you and we will deal with you mercilessly. Some of us, we will lead the charge. I promise I am will be manager. So, TNT. Now, young actions are MPP. Ye be take if you to a channel or channel action in the kind. And opako 7 a.m. Party national executives, any MPP MPs, any party in Penifuna, Eba 9 Ako Yuku office and what time station. Apa could demand for the release of Dennis. And do your party near also make way. Ya masi ya some of us ya see around. Ya masi ewo yuku or officer work at the station to do on near demanded the release of Dennis. Na yenim say and this ya bang. Se nipa ba akumi nubi. Aba amasi wo ye yuku home try some be movie Dennis. But ye. All their facilities, BN9, NECID, ne Blue Gate, ne all those facilities. Yeah, taxi and Crawford, party for mobile hodom. We will get people ready in all their facilities to demand for that release. Into omo panel, omo movie Dennis in free honum. Baby omo ne beko beer, we will be there. Baby, will be there until your party in our video. We are. Just make your way to you or more officer a worker at the station. You could demand for the release of a Dennis. Now, actually, a toss me. Yeah, boycott all media stations across the country in protest against the unlawful arrest and detention of Dennis Miracle Sabuaje. And to your party near Ochana, men call radio biaso, men could TV biaso. Now Ofui NDC for no so almost say omo person mo fa Ghana. Omo be say Ghana ye one party state. Into your omo fa. But 2028 power be change. And like I always say will come after them. So this useless NDC government actually Dennis Miracle Sabuaje. Omo foforo no. Acheche no yenchi we yen persecute we yen kan we anu ntum yen chiro omo say yen ye wa abam. Yen chro mo say na to me na wo yen sansem hunu no ene baby omodi akoduru no me ne wo ka say then is so wo EOCO akachi so wo BN9 so wo CID so wo national security baby Dennis will be in but confirmed report ayenya and he said this useless NDC government asuma nkrofo am o makochi Dennis Miracle Sabuaje but in so many years me gidi say wo hunu say na nopa Dennis officially will declare intention say or be contested for communications director position in MPP. So I say never told you how the rank and file of the party assume or much no do. I show commitment as a mobile to a barman. A boy in this phone who inside the yen channel. Yen silence and in fact, and this for no almost pick up signals no long ago. I think a couple of days ago say Dennis would declare an intention and then inside the yen can and to yen take the shine no away from him. Yen intimidate no. Yen chene baby a to me wo. Yen brain ase. Yen fa legal issues to be saying the cool send wonya kwan kran campaign na MPP for to abaye na mana be National Communications Director and waba be high. They know say Dennis ebe National Communications Director of MPP a. Obe revive MPP comes outfit no. Obe mana ye robust, obe mana ye efficient, effective and responsive. They know how a traitor Dennis eye. Enti saade a yenye bibia yenye nie betimi bia yenbu nsam ngu ne so yenche no intimidate ne yenka ne kasabo anhye ne yam yenhunehuna no, and basically that is what they are doing. But me de bia asem a me ka che NDC for ne say mo sa ban fu amubu no, you are going to opposition in 2028 na da MPP beba power say to me asesa e da MPP beba power, all of you Fiti Mahama so ebesi the least person in NDC. Same memra, same security architecture. We will come after you. And it will not stop at you. Yeah, the beba mabusia for some yere na mo mukuno no mo business partners. And it will not only be about more in person, more businesses and then more career, more education. Be a matter to you, we will come after you. It's a promise.
So I heard that CID is asking for this our sister to come and answer questions over the 32 cows they killed to make Mahama the president that he is today. And I'm wondering, is it that suddenly because Mahama is president, Ghana Police Service, you no longer know your duties? All of you are blind. Why? You sacrifice your eyeballs to make Mahama president? Because I don't even need to be in Ghana to see what this lady was referring to. As a matter of fact, the guy that made the video and say he killed those 32 cows to support NDC. The video is on my page. So what is this constant harassment on people? It just further goes to confirm that the only thing Mahama will succeed at is harassing Ghanaians, harassing innocent Ghanaians. Because truly, a power earned on evil must be used to pay evil. And if you watch all of the things that are happening, how Mahama is governing this country, it clearly confirms every other revelation that came out. It's not only that guy that has come out to say he killed 32 cows to bring Mahama to power. The CID people, you didn't see us here doing Ketia.
The path will not
you
be
are in
smooth,
this country, you call yourself national security people that protect.
we will stand up to the challenge.
You were here when I said doing Ketia came out in the public.
And we are prepared to sacrifice everything.
You did not arrest him. You didn't call him to come and answer questions.
Including life.
So that he will explain to you the life he's referring to. The things that they will sacrifice and the life that he included. What kind of life? Human life you did not ask. CID people, were you not here? When NDC people tie red bandana in their head and came out holding cutlasses to say they are willing to donate their first sons as sacrificial lamb to make Mahama president. So what exactly has Camilla said wrong? All the videos are there. If you don't know, if you don't see it, go to my page, CID, boss, police people. Come to TikTok and scroll down to my page, you will see it. The hypocrisy.
I vow. But if I come
all of you have been bought to do is silence people. When all of you know in your dark rooms that indeed evil things went on to make Mahama the president that he is today. And that is why it can't even make sense. Where others find sense to pay salary, Mahama said he can't find it. Because you killed and shed a lot of blood. Where other presidents that believe in the purpose of Christ became president and find sense to clear his backlog of unemployment. Mahama said he can't find that sense. Because you shared a lot of blood with animals, human beings, whatsoever, to make you president. The videos are there. So when you got somebody to come and answer, or when you go to your propaganda headquarters, they will tell you that it's AI. It's AI. There not a video of cow. You use NPP flag to tie a cow just to make Mahama president. Besides, common sense does not, it will let everybody knows that the way that Mahama is governing Ghana today clearly shows that God knows nothing about this his second cabinet presidency. It has everything to do with the devil. It has everything to do with demonic things you did to sabotage. In fact, corner majority of the people that went and voted for you this system. And you are calling him to come and answer. You didn't see him. You went ahead to torment that guy. Anybody that dares to come. In fact, the only person you have not been able to harass is Nigel Gazi. He is the one that also came out and said they took NPP flag to go and do spiritual things against it. And it will be very hard for NPP to come to power. All these things, we have seen it. You didn't call Nigel Gazi. You didn't call him.
We have done a lot of things spiritually.
It is not NPP people that are exposing the demonic president that you all endorse to come to power. No, it is the people that Mahama used to perpetrate all of those evil acts that are bringing the revelation, and people are basing on it to tell Ghanaian people that if they think it was their clear eye and mind they used to go and vote such a foolish vote and give supremacy to a dead goater, these were the things that happened, and you are calling people to come and answer. Someone has done video and say he did this. You haven't called the person, but the one that did the video to tell Ghanaians that these were the evil things that happened. Hence the chaos we are seeing. Mahama Ben ono kwa president obetina mamuomu achise nipa wuti se disease outbreak na nipa kana mo so omombara mbegina wa kum na ntwe na wa kum na ntwe. Why are you not calling Nigel Gazi to come and explain to you where they went to tie NPP flag? Why are you not calling all the people that went and tie bandana in their head to come and explain to you why they had to swear to sacrifice their firstborn? CID people, why are you not calling them? Why are you not calling Asiedu Nketia to come and answer to you what he meant by we will sacrifice everything, including lives? And his innocent Ghanaians, who that chaos is happening, constantly crying. Abanyi betina so mwasha black, asha black, samunjaida. Sheniba ewuye. Mahama no anoye mampenyina wose wo betina mamwosua. Na se wutiri wa bad luck. Hum da wutiri mua nipo. The number of people that have died under this Mahama government is even more than COVID-19 in China. Nanipa ejina so edi chire bie Ghana nia mosi ombra no begyan. As if say nobody has come out to reveal all of the demonic things Mahama allowed just because he's desperate to come and be president. Happen. You want to do this so that you will shield Mahama. The only thing that is left with Mahama is to harass people for simply exposing his level of desperation for power. For simply exposing in fact, the level of demonic things he allowed take place in this country just to make him his incompetence as a president. Now, sorry, in CID every nipa. Ombra no be yede. Ono na ye video no. Ghana yetia mamuo bi mu a 35 million population and no kreba kokrampo eni ya mamuo mu. Obe ka no credit baby and no krewa no Ghana ni nka. Because kakra demonic person selfish aban be ma wadi ntino uhu no krewa ntimi nka. Where were you when Mahama was roaming around telling people that NPP get bad luck? That is why Boku people are dying and they are getting killed. Inti se ne obi so ejina sa asem no so no se Mahama so ye musuo hene inti na wa betina mu a military stampede akum nipa ko pejuma keke ubewu. Ofa flight a wonye safe. Ofa nsuo mu a wonye nsuo to a wonye fe. Enya mahama kura ya na obi na no ka kire Ghana fo se. O bad luck. Na emusuo da mu a nsuo kura nto. Se nsuo ato afa nipa ene. All of you in the CID, sit down there and also begin to articulate the things that has happened inside this Mahama second coming. And tell yourself and tell that your inner conscience that all of the demonic things people are coming out to confess that Mahama allowed all of this happen to make him president is not true. Even look at the government that all of you are inside and tell us that it is God that have what? Elected this president for Ghana. What bad luck have you not seen? People are dying by heart. Bad luck everywhere. Chaotic situations. Disastrous situations. And people are coming out to confirm what they did behind doors to make him president. And when somebody also stand on it to make a video, you are rather calling that person to come to CID. Because all of you have become recruiters of the demonic oracle that initiated his presidency. So, nipa no krana oba abontene beka say, ono na ekumu na nchiwe ni 32 no. Mo afre ono se won be yiwa no. Mo de no kwa abontene say ombra, you threaten everybody to come out. I apologize. So that you be jinaso, esi nipa na be pacho, then you go after an innocent person. What has Camilla done to you? Nimgwas